Hi, I'm Troy with A.R.E Manufacturing. Today I wanted to highlight a customer success story from nearby St. Paul, Oregon.
Hi, I'm Ben. I'm the owner of Heirloom Roses. We primarily sell potted rose bushes and ship them all over the United States. And we have some ancillary products that A.R.E Manufacturing has helped us with, and they've been such a great partner. We came to them with an idea and some prototypes, and we didn't even have CAD drawings or anything. It was more just like a sketch on a legal pad. And the team there really took it and ran with it and developed two different products for us. One is this engraved namesake, and we have 3 different sizes of these now, and they came up with all of it, all the sizing, the design for manufacturing, and also they came to us with different methods on how they could cost reduce the product to get it to fit our price point. They were a valuable partner in this whole thing, and now that it's a turnkey system, we send them orders, they deliver them just in time to our shipping warehouse, and they go out to customers within 3 days. The system and the timing of it all is just a testament to how great their team is.
With our unique capabilities, we eliminated the need for multiple vendors and adapted to their business demands to deliver daily orders within 24 hours. Whether you're starting with a sketch or need quick turnarounds for your existing products, we're here to handle all your manufacturing challenges. Contact A.R.E today to see how we can accelerate your business. At A.R.E Manufacturing, we simplify the complex.